Took 1 star away for some minor dislikes, but would give a 4.5 if I could. I wanted this vacuum so badly, and was so disappointed when I finally got it because of the static elasticity shocks when using on carpeting. The metal grounding plate is way too small, and it turns out that my hand was coming ever so slightly off of it when I was vacuuming, so I was getting shocked all the time. It was awful and I almost returned it. But then I switched the way I hold the handle, my wrist placement, so the flat part of my middle finger was on constant contact with the grounding plate, not the side of my finger like before, which caused disconnection issues, and the problem is completely solved. This vacuum has a lot of power, lots of attachments and can handle almost anything. Does a great job and it is highly recommended. I was worried that the Shark Vertex would be too narrow and not strong enough. I previously purchased a Dyson V11, which claims to be stronger, but it was not able to run the beater on my carpets. The V11 did have a wider head, however, since it wouldn't spin on ordinary carpet, I returned it. I just received the Shark today, vacuumed the entire house and I am very impressed. The Shark IZ483H worked well on tile, rugs, and yes, all of my carpeted areas. The Shark has a narrower head, therefore able to reach most areas, and the tilt helps get under the furniture. My old V8 would only vacuum half of the house, but now I can do the entire house on one charge. The only issue is that it jams with the really fluffy mats in the guest bath, but everything else worked better than expected. Only used 1 day, and I am very happy. Just vacuumed with this for the first time, and overall it's a great cordless vacuum. Pet hair didn't stand a chance. I never thought I would want to vacuum with headlights, but now that I have them I don't think I can go back. It maneuvers around well and easily fits under furniture. I was able to vacuum my entire downstairs and upstairs on a full charge, hardwood and carpet, about 2,400 square feet. Just a few downsides. The brush head is narrow, so it takes more passes to clean an area. I don't love the high-pitched noise that it makes while running, and when I was vacuuming on higher pile carpet, felt a few shocks since it's very dry in my house right now. Will this vacuum replace my full-size, corded Shark Navigator for deep cleans? No. Is it super convenient to use on a daily basis? Yes. My friend has a Dyson cordless, and while I can't really comment on the suction differences, I do like how with this vacuum you don't have to hold down the trigger to keep it turned on, and it folds up on itself for pretty compact storage. Took 1 star away for some minor dislikes, but would give a 4.5 if I could. Shark IZ483H Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum with DuoClean PowerFins, MultiFLEX, Crevice Tool, Pet Multi-Tool and Anti-Allergen Brush, 120-minute runtime, double battery, Rosewood. Takes up very little space in my closet. I love that it comes with a second battery, so I always have a charged battery when the other runs out of power. It's very flexible. It twists and turns like a snake. Tight spaces, corners, and crevices it can handle with ease. The LED light on the front helps my weak eyes see the dirt. It's very light when handling it. I clean in less time because of how light and easy it is to handle and move around on my floors. The battery detaches and plugs in separately to charge. There is no charging station or drilling screws into my wall. Cons. When using the handheld and other attachments with it, the suction is not great because it stays on floor mode. To get a stronger suction you need to use the turbo speed. To use the turbo speed you have to continually hold the lever. It turns off when you let go of it. Overall, I do like the vacuum. I like clean floors, and this is great for keeping up with the dirt that gets tracked in. I mainly have hardwood floors and area rugs to keep clean, and this works very well for that. Pushing around my electric vacuum can get tiring after a while. It definitely isn't as lightweight as this one. This cordless vacuum covers more area in less time and uses less of my energy to do it. Cleaning my floors is now a lot easier. I bought this bad boy a couple of months ago, and have been waiting to write the review until I've used it a while. Over the years I've used a lot of vacuums. I've always had large dogs, hate dog hair, and vacuum a few times a week, so always in pursuit of the best vacuum that's easy to use. Well, I've found it. Shark is my fave brand anyway. I own 2 of the large numbers for deep cleaning, one upstairs, one downstairs. And I've had one of the early cordless models for easy pickups in dog hair. Now, I only need my new cordless Shark. It folds down and stores more easily than any other I've owned. It is lightweight, and the swivel head with light is highly maneuverable in and around furniture legs, and even under furniture. It picks up anything in its path and moves easily between hardwood, tile and carpet. The battery pack is easy to set on a shelf, keep plugged in, and reattach when needed. I like this much better than the large cradle style that sat on the floor for recharging. I see some folks have mentioned noisiness. Well, it's less noisy than any vac I've ever owned, but you do know the vac is running, not much diff than a heavy-duty hairdryer. My main living area is about 1600 SF. I can deep clean all the floors, carpet, hardwood, tile, quite well with a single battery charge, and I vacuum several X each week due to the above-mentioned dogs. The whole house is 2500 SF and I can hit all the main areas on a single charge. The settings are easy to shift, and I like the booster setting for extra suction when needed. It performs very well on carpet, and attachments go on and off easily for getting into the crevices. I've not even bothered to use my big Sharks since I purchased this cordless. The top detaches easily for a handheld vac, which I've used in my car and it works quite well. I got the upgraded model, the blue-gray one, because I wanted more attachments. Not sure it was worth it, but it was only a few dollars more, so, meh. I know a lot of PPL like their Dysons and other upper-priced brands. But I can't imagine they perform any better, and the Shark is reasonably priced. A truly great product, thanks, Shark! Exclamation mark. We had owned the previous MultiFLEX cordless product from Shark, but it totally annoyed me that the dirt container was not removable. Also, we were constantly entangling the brush roll. Introducing this model, removable dirt container so I can actually wash it out. And the brush roll is non-tangle, for the most part, works. Plus the flexibility to reach under furniture is fantastic. So 4 stars there. Deducting a star because battery life is somewhat lackluster. There is no charging base for a second battery you can buy and the batteries are $80. The 60 minutes claim is with all attachments and floor roller detached. Which no one runs it 100% of the time like that. So realistically it's more like 30 minutes. And then it takes 3+ hours to charge. Also, this vacuum is loud. The fins flapping against something in there, it's well over 80 decibels especially in carpet mode and then exponentially worse using the trigger for more suction. So in short, pros: great suction, flexible, light, easy to clean, no tangles. Cons: battery life and charging, it's really noisy. I have used this stick vac every day since receiving it and I really like it. Very good value for the money. The functionality where you can break the stick in 2 to vacuum under furniture is so simple to use and a complete revelation. Where have you been all my life? I use this feature all the time and absolutely love it. I also like the exceptional maneuverability of the vacuum head and the very bright LED headlights. Features I didn't even know I wanted but also love. It will literally move around in a circle from a static position. You can use the break in half feature to store it upright but bent over itself so it's not necessary to lean it up against a wall. It does not come with a dock or any kind of storage mounting system. Another of the really nice things is that the top part breaks off to become a hand vac, but not only that, all the accessory tools can plug into the hand vac, including the power head, which is a premium feature I was looking for. This is very handy for vacuuming the couch or a bed and seems to be a unique feature as I didn't find it elsewhere. On the downside, I would say that the unit is a bit top-heavy, which gives me the feeling that it could give you tennis elbow pretty fast if you had a second battery to extend the time you can use it. I am happy with the battery life. On the fastest non-turbo speed it cleans a combo of hardened carpet surfaces for around 20 minutes. This unit is not for deep cleaning but has enough suction to pick up Cheerios and dog kibbles as well as all the dust bunnies and pet hair on your solid surface floors. It gets my long hairs up off of the carpet, as well. It is ideal for day-to-day cleaning that keeps your house looking nice and makes big cleaning days far less work. I have two other Shark vacuums, one cordless and one corded. I purchased them not that long ago. I ordered the Vertex because of the no hair wrap brush roll. Too bad they didn't think of that sooner. I tried to order an extra battery and a mini motorized brush but they don't have them in stock. I was a little disappointed. They say the battery lasts 60 minutes. Using the power boost doesn't last long at all. Even with my other cordless, I have an extra battery. I like the fact you can wash the dirt container. You can also wash the filters with plain water. Let dry for 24 hours. It does have a squeal that my other Shark doesn't have. But I can accept that because it is a powerful vacuum. I have been through 3 cordless stick vacuums in the last 4 months, trying to save a buck. They were all crap in spite of their 4-5-star reviews. I finally said what the heck and decided to bite the bullet and buy this Shark model. I just vacuumed my Florida room and this vacuum is exactly what I wanted. I should have known since I have a Shark corded upright that I love. But with 2 cats and 2 litter boxes, getting out the upright 2 or 3 times a day, unwrapping the cord, wrapping the cord, I wanted a cordless stick vacuum. Plenty of power, great brushes, compact storage, and useful tools. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.